Did you know that a small tweak to something as simple as changing a clogged air filter can boost your engine's performance and even improve horsepower? That's right. Many drivers don't realize that their car is losing power, wasting fuel, and wearing out parts faster just because of overlooked maintenance. But the good news? Fixing it is easier than you think. In today's video, I'm going to show you simple but powerful steps that will keep your engine running smoother, stronger, and more efficient for years to come. From essential tune-ups to game-changing maintenance tips, these tricks will not only save you money on repairs, but also unlock hidden performance in your car. So buckle up, let's dive in. Number 1. Regular oil and oil filter changes. One of the simplest yet most important things you can do to keep your engine running smoothly is regular oil and oil filter changes. Think of engine oil as the lifeblood of your car. It lubricates moving parts, reduces friction, and keeps everything cool under the hood. Over time, oil breaks down, gets contaminated with dirt and debris, and loses its ability to protect the engine. If you ignore oil changes, you're basically letting your engine run on sludge, which can lead to overheating, poor performance, and even complete engine failure. And here's the real danger. Dirty oil doesn't just hurt performance, it can cause irreversible wear on engine components, leading to costly repairs, or, in the worst case, a blown engine. Most manufacturers recommend an oil change every 5,000 to 7,500 miles. But if you push it too far, you're gambling with your engine's lifespan. Skipping oil changes is like never brushing your teeth. You might not see the damage right away, but when it hits, it's going to be expensive. So, if you want better gas mileage, a smoother ride, and an engine that lasts, don't wait to change your oil on time, every time. Number 2. Maintain the cooling system. Engine runs at extremely high temperatures, and without a properly functioning cooling system, it can overheat in minutes, leading to warped cylinder heads, a cracked engine block, or a completely seized motor. The cooling system works by circulating coolant through the engine and radiator, absorbing heat and keeping everything at a safe operating temperature. But here's where things go wrong. Over time, coolant breaks down and loses its ability to regulate heat. Hoses can crack, radiators can get clogged with rust and debris, and the water pump can fail. If you ignore these issues, your engine could overheat, causing irreversible damage that might cost thousands to fix. A few key signs your cooling system needs attention include rising engine temperature, coolant leaks, or steam coming from under the hood. If you see any of these, you're already in dangerous territory. To keep your engine safe, check coolant levels regularly, flush and replace coolant as recommended, and inspect hoses and the radiator for leaks. Number 3. Replace air filters regularly. Engine needs a precise mix of air and fuel to run efficiently, and the air filter's job is to keep dirt, dust, and debris from getting inside and causing damage. But over time, that filter gets clogged, restricting airflow and forcing your engine to work harder. This can lead to reduced fuel efficiency, sluggish acceleration, and even engine misfires. In fact, a dirty air filter can reduce gas mileage by up to 10%, meaning you're spending more at the pump for no reason. The good news? Replacing an air filter is one of the easiest and cheapest maintenance tasks you can do. Most filters should be checked every 12,000 to 15,000 miles. But if you drive in dusty or high pollution areas, you might need to replace it even sooner. If your car feels sluggish, your fuel economy drops, or you notice black smoke coming from the exhaust, your air filter might be overdue for a change. A fresh filter not only helps your engine run smoother, but also extends its lifespan by preventing contaminants from causing wear and tear. Number 4. Inspect and replace spark plugs. These tiny but powerful components are responsible for igniting the air-fuel mixture inside your engine. When they're working properly, your car starts smoothly, accelerates effortlessly, and burns fuel efficiently. But over time, spark plugs wear out, get covered in carbon buildup, or even misfire, leading to rough idling, poor fuel economy, weak acceleration, and difficulty starting your car. In the worst cases, bad spark plugs can even cause engine misfires, which put extra strain on your engine and can lead to costly repairs. Most spark plugs last between 30,000 to 100,000 miles, depending on the type and your driving conditions. But if you notice symptoms like rough starts, loss of power, or a drop in gas mileage, don't wait, inspect, and replace them as needed. A fresh set of spark plugs can restore lost power, improve fuel efficiency, and give your engine a smoother ride. It's a small and affordable fix that makes a big difference in how your car performs. Number 5. Monitor and maintain engine belts and hoses. These components are essential to keeping your engine running smoothly, and if they wear out, they can cause serious damage. The serpentine belt, for example, powers critical systems like the alternator, power steering, and water pump. If it snaps while you're driving, you could suddenly lose power steering, overheat your engine, or even drain your battery. Similarly, radiator and coolant hoses carry coolant throughout the engine to prevent overheating, but over time, they can crack, leak, or burst, leading to dangerous overheating and potential engine failure. The scary part? Many drivers ignore belts and hoses until it's too late. A failing belt might start squeaking, cracking, or looking frayed, while weak hoses can feel soft, swollen, or develop small leaks. Mechanics generally recommend inspecting belts and hoses every 30,000 miles and replacing them as needed before they fail and leave you stranded on the side of the road. Keeping these parts in top condition helps ensure your engine stays cool, your electrical systems stay charged, and your car runs reliably. Number 6. Keep the fuel system clean. If your engine feels sluggish, hesitates when you accelerate, or your gas mileage has taken a hit, a dirty fuel system might be to blame. Over time, carbon deposits, dirt, and other contaminants can build up in your fuel injectors, throttle body, and intake valves, restricting fuel flow and reducing engine efficiency. When this happens, your car has to work harder to burn fuel properly, leading to rough idling, poor acceleration, and increased emissions. In extreme cases, clogged injectors can even cause misfires, making your engine run unevenly or fail altogether. To prevent these issues, it's important to clean your fuel system regularly. Many mechanics recommend using a fuel system cleaner every 5,000 to 10,000 miles to help remove deposits and keep fuel flowing smoothly. If you notice serious performance issues, a professional fuel injection cleaning might be needed. Also, using high-quality gasoline with detergents can help prevent buildup in the first place. Number 7. Schedule regular engine tune-ups. Modern cars are packed with sensors and computers that help optimize performance, but that doesn't mean they're maintenance-free. Over time, parts like spark plugs, ignition coils, fuel injectors, and sensors wear down, causing sluggish acceleration, rough idling, poor fuel economy, and even engine misfires. And here's the real problem. These issues often creep up slowly, so you might not even notice your car losing power until it's running noticeably worse. A proper engine tune-up helps catch small problems before they turn into expensive repairs. Most mechanics recommend a tune-up every 30,000 to 100,000 miles, depending on your vehicle and driving habits. This usually includes replacing spark plugs, cleaning the fuel system, checking the ignition system, and making sure all sensors are working correctly. If your car feels sluggish, struggles to start, or has a drop in gas mileage, it's probably overdue. Regular tune-ups don't just keep your car running smoothly, they extend your engine's lifespan, improve fuel efficiency, and help prevent unexpected breakdowns.